Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I hope you are fine. I am Engineer Rehanullah. My dear friends, my previous topic is about bar bending schedule of column. Today my topic is about bar bending schedule of column putting. My dear friend, this topic is very important for you. If you want to learn this topic, please watch the video at the end. Now let's start my topic. This is the cross section of this putting. The length of putting is 1500 millimeter. The depth of putting is 250 millimeter. The concrete cover is 50 millimeter. This is plan for this column putting. The length is 1500 millimeter and the breadth of footing is 1000 millimeter. Die of bar use 12 mm and spacing for main and distribution bar is 200 mm center to center. This is the given data for this putting. The length of putting is 1500 mm. The breadth of putting is 1000 mm and depth of putting is 250 mm. The concrete cover is equal to 50 mm. The spacing is equal to 200 mm center to center and die of bar is 12 mm. Now let's start the solution. My dear friends, first of all you need to find the effective length of putting. This formula is used for finding the effective length, total length of putting minus both side concrete cover. The total length of putting is 1500 mm minus 50 mm concrete cover from this side and 50 for this side. The effective length of putting is equal to 1400 mm. After that we find the effective breadth of putting. Formula use total breadth of putting minus both side concrete cover. The total breadth of putting is 1000 mm minus 50 mm from one side and 50 from another side. The effective breadth of putting is equal to 900 mm. And these are the main bar and this is distribution bar. After finding the effective length, we find the number of main bar. Formula used for finding the number of main bar. Total effective length of footing divided by spacing plus 1. Total effective length of footing is 1400 mm divided by 200. This is the spacing of these main bar plus 1. The number of main bar is equal to 8 number. Now find the number of distribution bar. This is distribution bar in this direction. Same formula used. Total effective breadth of footing divided by spacing plus 1. Total effective breadth of footing is 900 mm and this is spacing for distribution bar plus 1. The number of distribution bar is equal to 6 number. After that we find the cutting length of main bar. This is the main bar. Now find the cutting length for this main bar. In cross section, these are the main bar. Effective breadth of putting plus bends minus bend deduction. This formula is used for finding the cutting length of main bar. 900, this is the effective breadth of footing, plus 2 multiplied by 250. This is for this bend 1 and 2. Multiply by 250 because the depth of the footing is 250 millimeter minus 50 concrete cover from this side and 50 millimeter concrete cover from this side minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 12. This is bend deduction because the bend is to 1 and 2. Multiply by 2 and multiply by 12. For 90-degree bend, we use 2 and 2 dia of bar. 12 is the die of bar. Cutting length of main bar is equal to 1252 millimeter. Now find cutting length of distribution bar. 1400. This is the effective length of footing, plus 2 time bends minus 50 concrete curve from this side and 50 from this side, minus 2 time bend deduction 1 and 2. Cutting length of distribution bar is equal to 1752 millimeter. BBS of footing. For making BBS of footing, you need to make this type of table: serial number, type of bar, die of bar in millimeter, number, length in meter, total length in meter, weight in kg, and remark. First of all, I find the main bar. The die of bar is 12 millimeter. The number of bar is 8 number, and length in meter. This is the cut length of main bar. 1252 millimeter or 1.252 meter. I am convert from millimeter to meter. The total length of main bar is 10.016. I am multiply this value with this number, and the weight of main bar is 8.814. This is the remark for this value. The total length of main bar is 10.016 multiplied by 0.88 kg. This is the weight of steel in kg per meter if the die of bar is 12 millimeter. How to find this value? Formula used for finding this value is die square divided by 162. The weight of main bar is 8.814 kg. Serial number 2, distribution bar. The die is 12 millimeter. The number is 6. Is distribution number bar. Cut length for distribution is 1752 millimeter or 1.752. The total length of distribution bar is 10.512. I multiply this cut length with this number, and the weight of distribution bar is 9.25 kg. The total weight of main and distribution bar is 18.064 kg. My dear friend, it's enough for today. Inshallah, see you with another video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Bye bye.